Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this candy corn that I made for my Halloween blanket. Link down below is the materials list, the written pattern, as well as the pattern for the granny square. If you're already on my website, go ahead and scroll down to find all that information. So to start, we are going to make a slip knot with our yellow yarn, and we are going to chain 12 stitches. Once you have your 12, we are going to make half double crochets starting into the second chain from the hook. So go ahead and make half double crochets all the way down the chain. Once you get to the end, you should have 11 stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, and now we are going to decrease over the first 2 stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook into the first, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all of the loops on your hook. Now make half double crochets into the next 7 stitches. Once you've done that, we are going to decrease over the last 2 stitches. So go ahead and do your half double crochet decrease just like we did in the beginning. And now we are going to switch over to the orange yarn. So go ahead and attach your orange yarn. I like to tie my 2 colors together just to make sure it is secure. Now we're going to chain up 1, turn our work, and with the orange we are just going to make half double crochets all the way across. You should have 9 half double crochets once you get to the end. Chain 1, turn your work. We are going to decrease over the first 2 stitches again, so go ahead and do your half double crochet decrease. And now we are going to do 5 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet into the next 5 stitches. And that will leave us with 2 stitches at the end, and we are going to decrease over those 2 stitches. Now we are going to change to our white yarn. So go ahead and attach your white yarn. Again, I like to tie those tail ends together just to make sure it's secure. Chain 1, turn your work. Again, we are going to decrease over the first 2 stitches in this row. And then we will make half double crochets into the next 3 stitches. And that will leave us with 2 stitches remaining. We are going to decrease over those 2 stitches as well. Chain 1, turn your work. Same thing in this row, we are going to decrease over the first 2 stitches, make 1 half double crochet. We'll have 2 stitches left and we will decrease over those 2 as well. Chain 1, turn your work. We are going to triple decrease in this last round. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into that 3rd and last stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all of the loops, and then you can fasten off. And that is it. This candy corn is pretty quick to make. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoy crochet tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.